Okay, this next section is probably something that is closest to your hearts: electronic utilities such as laptops and cell phones, TV. These are called electronic utilities. So we're going to talk about how you can compare different electronic utilities, different companies and their prices. So even with cell phones, there's hundreds of thousands of payphones across the United States. Actually, there's not many payphones across the United States anymore, not like there used to be. I'm not even sure if you guys have ever even seen a payphone before. A payphone at a local airport charges 35 cents for the first 3 minutes and 19 cents for each extra minute. You get charged for an entire minute regardless of the portion of that minute that you used. Find the cost of a 7.5 minute phone call. So the first 3 minutes cost 35 cents. So we can subtract that because we know the first 3 minutes is just going to cost the 35 cents. So that's going to leave 4.5 minutes. We're going to round up to 5. And each additional minute costs you 19 cents. So 5 minutes times 19 cents is 95 cents plus the 35 cents. So your total call would cost $1.30. So that would be for a 7.5 minute phone call on that particular phone call, on that particular payphone. Find the cost of a 12.5 minute phone call using the prices above. We're going to take away 3 from that, which would leave you 9 1/4. We got to round that up to 10. So 10 times 19 cents would be $1.90, plus the 35 cents for the first 3 minutes would equal $2.25 for that 12.5 minute phone call. All right. Okay, in this section, you're going to see what is called piecewise functions, where a function is defined based on a certain input value. So, for example, the Caltech cellular phone company has many different calling plans. The Telcel plan has a basic charge per month, which includes a certain number of free minutes. There is a charge for each additional minute. This piecewise function below gives the price of an X minute phone call, so however many minutes. Fractions of a minute are charged if they were a full minute. Okay. So if you look at this piecewise function, and the problem that the book is asking is this: find the monthly cost for someone who had the plan in example 3, this is the one we're talking about, who used 1,234 minutes. 1,234 minutes. So this is your input number. How many minutes did they use? And that's what X is representing, is minutes. So as long as they're under 750, it's $40. But if it's over 750, and this number is an integer, which it is, there's no decimals, then this is the function. So this would be the part of the function that we want to use for this particular problem. So to find the cost, f of x, it's going to equal 40 plus 0.35 times x, which is 1,234 in this problem, minus 750. So then we're just going to let the calculator do the work. So this is going to turn into 40 plus 0.35. I got to do the parentheses first. So that's going to end up equaling, let's see, 1234 minus 750 is 484. And now I'm going to multiply the 0.35 times 484. And that's going to give me $16.94. So $40 plus $16.94 would give me $56.94. So that would be the cost for using the phone in this plan for talking for 1,234 minutes. All right, let's see. Julianne has a cell phone, gets charged for text messages each month. She is thinking of paying a flat rate of $40 for unlimited text messaging. If the cost is 15 cents per text message, how much would she save by using the unlimited plan instead of the pay per message plan if she sends about 800 messages per month? So what she's thinking of doing is buying a unlimited plan $40 for unlimited text messaging. Right now, her cost is 15 cents per text message. So if she sends about 800 per month, the question is how much would she save by going to this flat fee of 40? Well, 15 cents times 800, which is what she's paying now, $120. If she goes with the flat fee of 40, then obviously that would be a savings of $80. Okay, Kristen's phone company charges $45 for unlimited texting per month. So no matter what how many text messages she sends, the price is a flat fee of $45. So the cost for that is $45. Or 12 cents per text message sent or received. So this is her other option. So the phone company has this option, or it has this option of 12 cents per text message sent or received. So the cost could be $45 flat, or her cost could be 12 cents times every text message sent. So the question is, for what amount of text messages would the unlimited plan cost the same as the per text plan? When are these equal to each other? Well, you just set them equal to each other and solve that equation. So you say, when would $45 equal 12 cents per text message? And you solve that one-step equation. You just divide by 0.12. If you divide 45 divided by 0.12, you get 375. So at 375 text messages, the plans would cost exactly the same. All right, we got one more page here. The OptiZone cable TV internet phone provider advertises a flat $95 per month for all three services. So this will be a bundle for a new customer's first year. The company estimates that this will increase 10% for the second year. Pauline normally pays $49 for her monthly home phone, $35 for internet, and $50 for cable. If Pauline's usage remains the same, how much will she save per month in the second year? So we're doing $95 per month plus a 10% increase. First of all, what she's currently paying is $49, $35, and $50. So she's currently paying $134. So this says in the second year she's paying $95 plus a 10% increase. So I need to find 10% of $95. Well, 10% of $95 would be $9.50. Added to the $95 that she would be paying anyways is equal to $104.50. So in the second year, she's going to be paying $104.50 every month versus what she's paying now, which is $134. So to find her savings, you just simply subtract those and you get $29.50. So let's look at this. How much would Pauline save if the second year increase was 25%? So I need to find 25% of 95. So 95 times 0.25 is $23.75 plus the 95 that she would be paying already. So $118.75 is what she would be paying every month in the second year if it was a 25% increase. She's currently paying $134. So to find her savings, if it was a 25% increase, I just need to subtract those two. So 134 minus 118.75 is $15.25. Okay, electronic utilities, your cell phones.